We've been taught our entire life not to talk to strangers, right? So it's no wonder most of us hesitate to lean into this form of prospecting. I get it. But here's the thing. Overcoming fear of talking to strangers, especially as a real estate agent, is crucial for your professional growth. Here are some strategies to help you overcome your fear and effectively connect with strangers. Acknowledge your fear. Accept that feeling nervous or anxious about talking to strangers is normal. By acknowledging your fear, you can begin to work through it. Practice active listening. Focus on what the person is saying rather than worrying about what you're going to say next. This helps to alleviate some of the pressure and makes the interaction feel more natural. Start small. Begin by initiating conversations with people in low-pressure situations, such as neighbors, friends of friends, or acquaintances. Role-playing. Practice conversing with colleagues, friends, or family members in simulated scenarios to build your confidence engaging with strangers. Set realistic goals. Instead of aiming to instantly overcome your fear, set achievable goals for each interaction. For example, your goal could be to introduce yourself or ask one question about the other person. Prepare icebreakers. Have a few conversation starters ready to go, such as asking about someone's weekend plans, or commenting on the weather, or mentioning a recent local event. How about focusing on common ground? Look for shared interests or experiences that you can bond over. This helps to establish rapport and makes the conversation more enjoyable for both parties. Find networking events. Attend industry-related networking events or community gatherings where you can meet new people in a more relaxed setting. You could also join social clubs or groups and participate in clubs or groups that align with your interests outside of work. This allows you to meet new people in a context where you already have something in common. Practice gratitude. Cultivate a mindset of gratitude for the opportunity to connect with new people. And remind yourself of the potential benefits of expanding your professional network and building meaningful relationships. Now, here are 9 scenarios where you can effectively connect with strangers. Number 1, attend open houses. Engage with potential buyers and sellers at open houses by providing valuable information about the property and offering to answer any questions they may have. Utilize social media. Connect with potential clients through social media platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram. Share valuable content related to real estate trends, tips, and local market updates to attract and engage your audience. Host workshops or seminars. Organizing educational workshops or seminars on topics such as home buying or selling tips, investment strategies, or market trends. This positions you as an expert in your field and provides opportunities to connect with attendees. You could also volunteer in the community. Get involved in local community events or volunteer initiatives. This allows you to meet new people while also giving back to the community, which can enhance your reputation as a trustworthy and caring professional. You could also join professional organizations. Become an active member of real estate associations or networking groups in your area. These organizations provide opportunities to connect with other professionals in your industry and potential clients. Send personalized messages and reach out to potential clients with personalized messages via email, social media, or direct mail. And then tailor your communication to their specific interests or needs to make a meaningful connection. Participate in local events. So consider attending a local event such as a farmer's market, festivals, or charity fundraisers. Strike up conversations with attendees and find common ground to establish rapport and potentially generate leads. You could also ask for referrals. Encourage satisfied clients to refer their friends, family members, or colleagues who may be in need of your services. Referrals from trusted sources can help you connect with new clients more easily. How about just standing in line, right? Talk to the person in front or behind you. Perhaps use a current event or the weather to initiate a conversation. Introduce yourself, right? Perhaps ask if they live around here or what they love most about the community, and that you're always looking for something fun or new to do. Once rapport is established, perhaps ask what they do for a living. And most of these questions will usually reciprocate. And I'm sure once they discover that you help people with real estate, they'll inquire about the real estate market. Don't just say it's great. Rather, ask if they are curious as a buyer or a seller. And if they ask why, let them know that your response depends on their perspective. By implementing these strategies and consistently pushing yourself outside your comfort zone, you will gradually overcome your fear of talking to strangers and become more confident in connecting with potential new clients. Create the experience your clients will love to talk about.